Hello. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about greatest common factor. Greatest common factor is the common factor that is greater than any other common factor. For example, if we want to find the greatest common factor of 32 and 40, we can use two different ways. One of the ways is to list the factors of 32 and 40 and then identify the common factors and then compare to find the greatest common factor. And the other way is using prime factorization. We will first list the factors of the two numbers. The factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. And the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, and 20. We now identify the common factors. The common factors of these two numbers are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So we list the common factors of the two numbers. We can write common factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And now we can see that 8 is the greatest common factor. So we can then write that GCF of the two numbers, GCF of 32 and 40 is 8. Means the common factor of 32 and 40 is 8. The other way of finding the greatest common factor is using prime factorization. So we make the factor 3 of 32 and 40. The factor 3 of 32 and 40. Let's first write the factor 3 of 32. 32 is equal to 4 times 8. Now we can write the composite numbers as the product of the prime numbers. So 4 is equal to 2 times 2, and 8 is equal to 2 times 4. We continue writing the composite numbers as the product of the prime numbers. So 4 is 2 times 2. So we bring these two also down and write the multiplication sign. These two also down, and these two also down. How many prime factors do we have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we write 32 as the product of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are going to make the factor 3 of 40. 40 is equal to 5 times 8. We continue writing the composite number as the product of other numbers. So we bring down 5 also times 2 times 4. So again, 4 is still a composite number. We write it as a product of 2 times 2. We bring these 2 down, and we bring 5 also down. So we write 40 also as the product of 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And then we identify the common prime factors here. We have one group of 2, we have the other group of 2, and we have this group of 2. So we have 3 sets of 2 as the common factor. Now the GCF of the two numbers will be equal to 2 times 2 times 2. we find the product of each set of common factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. GCF of 32 and 40 is equal to 8. These are the two ways that we can use to find the greatest common factor of two or more numbers. I hope it helps you learn how you can find greatest common factors of two or more numbers. So please subscribe to our channel and like the videos. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section under this video. Have a nice time and thank you so much.